Hey everyone, my name is Nate and I'm the founder of Myntor. At Myntor, our goal is to help students learn faster and more effectively than taking a class in person. To do that, we build online courses that answer student questions in real time using conversational AI. See, the problem is that when you're learning something new, you spend up to 60% of your time just Googling answers to the questions you have. As a result, when you get stuck, you're either looking for a live instructor or you're searching the internet for your answers. But the problem is live instructors are expensive, and they're only available for that hour that you pay for them. And going online is frustrating and often takes a really long time to get an answer. So our solution is to build online courses that answer these questions in real time using conversational AI, and leverage this to significantly increase how quickly and how effectively students learn. So whereas some of our competitors deliver their content using a static interface like this, the Myntor experience is significantly more dynamic. On the right, you can see the AI actually responding to questions that students have in real time, and even preempting some of these questions that the students didn't even know that they had. Essentially, what we're doing is we're training this AI to respond based on the context in which these questions occur, and then deliver answers that work best for that student, but also which have worked for thousands of other students before them who did that exact same problem or watched that exact same video. As a result, we're able to deliver 3 times more targeted practice problems than any college or prep textbook. To deliver this level of targeted support would be equivalent to having 16 pounds of conventional textbooks. We can also resolve questions that students have 5 times faster than even a live instructor. So what makes this so difficult to do? Well, number one, incumbent providers currently don't collect the pair data necessary to power this level of support. You need to not only link a question with a specific answer, but you need to link every permutation of that question in every context that it could possibly occur for every user in your database, and no other company collects this data. Secondly, if they did collect this data, they still don't have Myntor's inference and classification algorithms that we've developed to deliver this service. And lastly, our competitors have invested significantly in content, whereas we've invested in feedback. And we do this because the best teachers you've ever had are not the ones with the best textbooks, they're the ones that delivered the best feedback. So our goal here is to build a product that delivers a higher pass rate than a live classroom and achieves this faster than a traditional school. We've actually done this already. Just over 600 students have used the Myntor platform to prepare for their SATs, ACTs, and AP exams. Our pass rate is higher than the national average, and we can achieve this 6 times faster than a traditional high school. And as a result, our students really enjoy using the platform. Our business model is very simple. We sell directly to parents with high school students for $400 per year, all access. Compared to private tutoring, this is 1/10 of the cost, but provides more practice problems, faster response times, and is less risky from a financial perspective. And that's not all. We can use the exact same course architecture we've been using to develop courses for AP Calculus, for example, to build courses for any subject for all 1.5 billion students over the next 3 years. To do that, we have a team with decades of experience in engineering and in education. My name is Nate. This is the 3rd startup that I've built from the ground up. I've also been teaching and tutoring Berkeley students and Berkeley High students for the past 10 years, and I received my PhD from Berkeley in mechanical engineering. Michael is an award-winning producer for education content, both at Fablevision and at Kidscreen, and has 7 years of experience building education content that has over 1 million users. Anthony is the #1 AP Calculus teacher in the country. Parul is the co-founder of Springboard, and Faraz is the director of the Palo Alto Foundry at AT&T. We also have a large network of advisors just from our time here at Berkeley, as well as in the San Francisco Bay Area. So our current priorities are twofold. Number one is to grow users faster, which requires maintaining an 80% month-over-month growth rate for the next 12 months. We're actually on track to do this. We hit our quotas for January and for February, and we're starting March with a healthy head start. The second thing we're aiming for is College Board accreditation, which will allow us to offer our courses for college credit. This requires hitting a couple of engineering milestones over the next 12 months. To do that, we're raising a small round of seed funding, so if you know anybody who might be interested, please send them our way. But there is something here that's a little bit more important than that. I'd like to ask you guys to get involved. We just started the Myntor Scholarships program, which provides Myntor to students from low-income backgrounds all the way from inner city Chicago to West Oakland. We've dropped the price by 50% because we're not trying to make profit on this. Instead, we're trying to build powerful narratives that will inspire other students and help them achieve things that they might not be able to achieve otherwise. For accountability, you'll receive progress updates for all the students that you sponsor. So if that's interesting to you, or if you have any questions about this presentation, please drop a comment in the Zoom box or feel free to send me an email. Thank you very much.